Hello everyone. My name is Yamini Adi. I am from Montfort School and I study in class 5th D. Today, Rohan is celebrating his birthday. His mother bakes a delicious pizza for him. But Rohan got worried. He said, "Mother, only one pizza. How could I give this to all?" Rohan's mother said, "Don't worry, Rohan. I am there." Rohan's mother cuts the pizza into 6 equal parts. Rohan's mother divides the pizza into all his 6 friends. All his 6 friends were very happy after getting the equal parts of pizza. Rohan's mother divides a pizza into 6 equal halves. How much did each person get? 1 out of 6. We can also write it as 1 by 6. Numbers written in this form are called fractions. So our today's topic is fractions. Fractions. A fraction is a number that describes the relationship between a part and a whole. Why do we need to learn fraction? Let's have a look of uses of fractions in our daily life. Time. We use terms like half an hour, quarter to quarter past, which are fractions. Food. While sharing food like pizza, chocolates, etc., we need fraction. Cooking. We need ingredients in half, quarter, etc., which are fractions. Measuring. Measuring distances, quantities, also need fractions. Example, half kilometer or half liter. In general, we can say numbers expressed in the form of A by B is called fraction. Let's have some examples. 1 by 6, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. In fraction A by B, B, which is the denominator, could not be 0. Why? The denominator denotes the total number of equal parts. If the denominator is 0, no fraction could be formed. Now let's see the fraction of the shaded parts. In first one, you can see that there are 6 parts in the circle and 4 of them are shaded. So we can write it as 4 by 6. In second one, you can see that there are 3 parts in the fraction and one of them is shaded. So we can write it as 1 by 3. In third fraction, there are 5 parts and one of them is shaded. So we can write it as 1 by 5. In fourth one, there are 2 parts and one of them is shaded. So we can write it as 1 by 2. Let's learn something more about fractions. So now we are going to learn about types of fractions. Unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction with the numerator 1 and the denominator any positive integer. Let's see some examples. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 12, etc. Like fractions. Like fractions have the exact same denominators. Let's take a look on the examples. 3 by 8, 5 by 8 and 7 by 8. As you can see, the denominators are all same. Unlike fractions. So what's the opposite of like fractions? Exactly, unlike fractions. So as the word is also opposite, the fractions are also opposite. So in unlike fractions, the numerator are different. Let's have a look on the examples. 3 by 5, 3 by 8 and 3 by 4. As you can see, Here, the denominators are totally different. Proper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. Let's look the example 3 by 5. As you can see, here 3 is a smaller number by 5. So 3 is the numerator, which is smaller than 5, which is the denominator. What's the opposite of proper fraction? Exactly, improper fraction. Now let's take 4 pieces of chocolate and try to divide it into 6 people. It's not possible, but we write it as 6 by 4. So in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So as you can see, in 6 by 4, the numerator, which is 6, is greater than the denominator, which is 4. Now let's take 6 chocolates and divide it among 4 children. First of all, we will give 1 chocolate to each one of them. Then how much chocolates are left? 2. Now we will cut the 2 chocolates into half. Now we have 4 pieces of chocolates. We will give that 4 pieces to each one of them. So now how much did each one of them got? Each one of them got 1 and 1 by 2 of the chocolate. Fractions written in this form, which contains a whole plus a fraction, is called mixed fraction.